Thrax, man. Shout out that nigga Thrax. Yo. Fendi, Prada, Gucci on my waist. Then your daughter Gucci at my place. Then I slaughter booty like a race. When she got the poopy, do me face. Yes, that way you can waste less. Hollywood faggot, shove it up your ass and then drag it. I'm a hot bitch if I drag it, bag him and tag it. Don't get mad at me, I'm a faggot. Walking down Sunset,